on a great big Yankee man-o-war. Was a great big Yankee blackjack tar on the coast of China. One fine day cut his sticks and ran away. Got a job the very first day ashore in a heathen temple as janitor. His boss was a Jaws, his shipmate held, who sent him to ring the temple bells. And every time he rang the chime, he'd shudder and he'd wince. So he turned the bells in ragtime. They've been that way ever since. Boom, boom, bingity-bing in the morning sun. Boom, boom, bungity-bung when the day is done. Nothing could be sweeter than the syncopated meter of those sweet bells. Boom, boom, bingity-bing when the day is fair. Boom, boom, bungity-bung, all the town is there. Every chinko just as dippy as a coon from Mississippi. Oh, ring them bells, don't you hear them chiming? Lovey-dovey rhyming. Jingle, jangling, tango, tangling, tangling, tangling. Boom, boom, bingity-bing in the morning sun. Boom, boom, bungity-bung when the day is done. Ragtime, ragtime, ragtime temple bells. When a Chinese boy in old Pekin goes to purify himself from sin, he walks along with steps demure, very good boy to be sure. When the bells ring out that he's a knave, just can't make his feet behave. His sandals grow so queer and hot, they start him to do the turkey trot. So every Sunday school parade along the Pekin way looks something like a picture of a New York cabaret. Boom, boom, bingity-bing in the morning sun. Boom, boom, bungity-bung when the day is done. Nothing could be sweeter than the syncopated meter of those sweet bells. Boom, boom, bingity-bing when the day is fair. Boom, boom, bungity-bung, all the town is there. Every chinko just as dippy as a coon from Mississippi. Oh, ring them bells, don't you hear them chiming? Lovey-dovey rhyming. Jingle, jangling, tango, tangling, tangling, tangling. Boom, boom, bingity-bing in the morning sun. Boom, boom, bungity-bung when the day is done. Ragtime, ragtime, ragtime temple bells.